In our poster we summarized the most important rules for information design and dashboarding, and in this video I'd like to focus on how to set up a tile structure design. The tile structure design is very familiar to us from our leisure time activities, like on Amazon Prime or on Microsoft or on the Xbox. There are different applications where we use those tile structure design. You can see one here, and it is easy to consume on the laptop, but also on the iPad or on the iPhone. So there are various good examples for that, and it's very easy to adapt those tiles from larger devices to very small smartphones, so as we can see it in here. So what would that mean for the use or setup of a tile structure design within our dashboards? Well, these are possible setups for those tiles. We start with the easiest one, and this is just simply an icon tile. There's no indication about the values or about the data behind. You just see this icon, and it is more or less a link from A to B. It could look like this. So this is the car report, and that's why it had the car icon. The more advanced one is that you get an indication of what you're going to click. So is it necessary to have a look underneath the data of this tile? So here the global revenue, we have an indication it's positive, plus 8.3. If there's even more high information density, then we add, for example, an additional value, like it's plus the absolute value, and then there might be the value in total, so you can add this as well. So the more information we add on a dashboard or on a tile, it's always better, because then we increase the comparability. If you like to combine it then with the visual, saying okay, on the one hand side we have the indication, what's the current value, plus the title, and also the visual indication, and it could look like this, or the combined, maximum combined version is visualization, title, plus 2 or 3 indication. And that's what we really like about, we need to have a strong and compact tile, and then you can structure it along your dashboard. You have your typical dashboarding structure, and then based on the message you deliver, you select your visualization and your tiles, you design them, and then you can have a look, well, is it necessary to look underneath the structure of the revenue or the orders or the market share, depending on the first impression you get from those tiles. And I think this is very modern, this is very helpful, and this is how modern dashboards should look like.